Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Olayemi. Today I would love to share with you this corn recipe. Today I want to share with you how I make this fresh sweet corn. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to peel all this back. Then I'm going to start cooking this. But before that, I just want to show you how it looks before peeling it. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to Olayemi cooking channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button on this video and give this video a thumbs up so you get updated every time I upload fresh, delicious recipe. You'll be the first to know. Please do not forget to hit that button. The corn has been peeled and already been washed, so it's now time for me to start boiling our corn. So I'm going to boil this corn. I have some water in the pot, so I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt to boil the corn. I'll start adding my corn into the water so everything will start boiling. So you can as well cut your corn into 2 sizes. However it size your pot is fine. So I'm going to put the corn to fit the pot. Then it's time for me to cover it and allow it to cook for a couple of minutes. So I'm going to let this cook for 15 minutes. You can see how it looks. It's already boiling. It's about to get cooked. So we are going to wait, and now it's time for us to check if our corn is ready. So let me check if this corn is ready. It's ready, so I'll start bringing it out. It's ready to eat. You can as well come and join me to eat this corn. You are welcome. You know you are always welcome to Olayemi kitchen. So this is it on the plate. However you feel like eating it, you can eat it how you like. You can use other things to support it. Please do not forget to check other recipes. I'll put the link in the description below. You can as well check all my delicious and easy recipes. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please let's hang out in the comment section. I'll always be there to answer any of your questions regarding my recipe. And please do not forget to hit the subscribe and the bell button on this video so you'll be the first to know every time I upload new recipe. You just have to click the subscribe button and the bell button. And please remember to give this video a like. Just hit the like button and let's hang out in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching my video. I guess I will see you all in my next recipe. Please remember to click this box for other recipe.